Call this a full BBL. You know, when you got the rear diffuser on there looking good and chunky, you know what I'm saying? You gotta match the ass with the, you know, come on man. You already know, man. It's 5-Star Raw, 5-Star family. Yo, man, what's going on? It's your boy 5-Star Raw. If you know, you already know. I used to have a lip on this car already. Got it from ECS Tuning. My old one destroyed. I got towed and broke my lip kit in half. Hopefully they extended warranty it. Give me my little credit back. I feel like my car just rides so high now. I feel like I got like a rental or something. Like it's not mine no more. So it's not really the most affordable option, but I do like the one I got from ECS Tuning. Very easy install. So this is a DIY video comparison. Ride high. This is a 2019 B9 Audi S5. Man. Check this thing out. You know, good red guts and all that. Come on, man. I have my boy 5-Star JR help me with the install. Throw this on, man. Y'all stay tuned. You gonna fuck up on purpose, huh? Nah, I'm fucking with you, bro.
If you gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time, what you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Many things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain print. Prince Charming, disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second, fluent in passive aggression, that's why you act.
If y'all want to see more mod, get at me, let me know.
You actually listen.
See, got the good holiday decorations and all that.
I never turn my back, I just slapped them so now all that they see is my back. Say
They're 5-Star family. If y'all fucking with the video, if y'all like it, let me know.
Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached. So how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space. It's no pressure. If you got time to waste it.